Hey guys!
All right, so we've been working on this video for a very, very long time. Our original idea was to have so many balloons that it would lift a person into the air. And then we realized we're not very good at science or math. So we decided to fill the mini ramp with 1,000 balloons. We spent the last month blowing up all these balloons, and now we're ready for this video. Let's go. How do we get out of here?
I cannot believe they're not popping.
I know.
Be gentle with that.
They're gonna be okay.
Oh! It shot me in the mouth! Ow!
Man down! Woo! Daniel's got his board, he's all ready. I'm ready to just swim in here.
Forget the skating. I think you got a belly flop into it from the 4-foot side.
No! Something wrong about this. Are you scared to drop in on this, Fetty?
No.
Not at all.
No.
I'm terrified. It's like glass skateboard, balloons. I don't know what's worse.
I think everyone needs to drop their inflated egos and just have a great time in this video. So that's 1,000.
Okay, well I was gonna Rochambeau to see who dropped in first, and then I realized I'm terrified and you're not, so maybe you should just go.
So Aaron, you're dropping in first.
Dang it. I don't want to drop in on this.
You dropped in on a glass skateboard, Aaron Cairo. This is like the softest landing ever.
No, it's not. See, what happens is you drop in, a couple balloons pop, they get tied around your wheels, and then you boom, dead!
Leave a comment below what you think is gonna happen, because I don't think that's gonna happen.
I already know what's happening. My big toe is frozen.
Oh, you're going straight 4-foot.
Psych!
No! You're already up there! You're already up there!
No way! Fetty, go!
It was nice knowing you, Aaron.
Aaron,
I feel like
thank
I
you
want to
for
roll
everything.
in and just tumble, like, look, dead already.
Dead on the right.
You got this.
Ah!
Oh! My God! That is the sickest thing ever! Whoa! What? This is the sickest thing we've ever done!
I gotta explain what it's like. So you're like going, and it's fine, everything's moving out of the way, and then you'll like go up, come back, and you'll land on a balloon, and the balloon will pop.
Dude, I think I literally only heard like 5 balloons pop at most.
Yeah.
Oh! Where did he go?
I gotta do that. It's like my childhood dream come true.
Where did he go?
Wait.
Oh! His board came back and hit him in the back. Where's my board? I'm ready for you. This is your angle. Whoa! Aaron, you get in there too. Two people should go at once. Wait, what? Why is that happening? 3. Oh!
Randomly pop out of nowhere.
I gotta have a try.
It's not right. It's not right. It doesn't feel right.
Scary, right?
I don't want to drop into balloons. Dude, this is amazing!
My rendition of Gabe skating and the balloons. Oh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ah!
Got something on you, Gabe. Get it, Uzi.
I'm gonna die.
I dropped in, landed on boards, ollied, landed on balloons. That hurt so bad. See? Remember what I said at the beginning?
Oh,
Yes.
you were right.
I was right.
Wow.
Betty, no.
What? It's my skateboard.
I'm gonna film from up here.
This board's not dangerous.
Oh! No! Oh no, Betty, no! All right, you gotta go back in. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh no, not again!
Not again on the wheels! Oh!
Yeah! WrestleMania!
Touchdown!
It's really funny because like every other trick, a balloon flies right in front of the person skating. You can't see anything.
My intestines!
My intestines, no!
Oh! It's just a balloon wasteland on the bottom. All the pack remains.
That was extremely surprising.
Wow!
Oh, uh-oh. What happened? At least it pads your landing a little bit.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah!
Fatality. 3, 2, 1. That's my best stroke. Am I Michael Phelps yet?
There you go. I've never seen Fetty looking more majestic.
Sled gang.
So what's up, bro?
Oh no.
Oh wait!
Oh,
We Okay guys, it's a dunk competition. Fetty versus Daniel. Best dunk wins, 3 tries. I'm gonna hold the hoop where I think it should go.
You better make sure you get a balloon that fits in there. I'll give it a solid 4 out of 10.
I'll give it a 2.5.
He did do it behind the back, but...
Oh, 3.5 out of 10.
Oh gosh! I was gonna try to go in between my legs, up here.
He almost fell backwards off the back.
Oh! That would have been sick if
If
you
you
did
would have
it.
landed that, it might have taken top honors.
Yep. Oh! That's what I'm talking about.
I might just win because I was the only one who landed, so. I don't know. I was gonna.
Betty might be right.
Yes.
Oh! That was incredible.
That was incredible. Okay, toss it back up here. I'll give Fetty another one. And the undisputed dunk champion is Fetty Potter! Oh no. Oh. He's still on it.
Why?
I'll give you a rebate.
Oh! Oh! You
It never
Down
gets
goes
old
Fetty.
watching them fall into it.
Land is done, Betty. Oh! Wow! There's one last thing I want to do for this video. A lot of times, Fetty has uncontrollable rage. Rage that we don't let him release. But for this one video, for 30 seconds, I just want you to go. Just go.
No.
Fetty, just release it all.
No.
Yeah! Let it out! Yeah! Okay, all right.
I knew it. All right, Notification Squad, how many balloons were popped in this video? Leave it in the comments below. Make sure you have your notifications turned on, you are subscribed, you shared and liked the video, and we will choose one of you for an incredible prize package. Leave it in the comments below, hashtag Notification Squad. Let's go! All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had a total blast, so we hope that you had a total blast as well. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Go to BrailleSkateboarding.com and get all of your skateboard necessities. Let's go!